Modern somatic SCADA systems control and monitor my plants, archive data, and make it available throughout the company. But how can I use this data? To find out why the plant in the US performs better than the one in Germany? Or where the bottleneck in my plant is? And how to increase my plant's performance? My SCADA system, which is connected to MindSphere, now sends selected pre-processed data, so I can always make the right decisions no matter where I am. Worldwide comparability of plants and key performance indicators makes it easier to detect potential for improvement. Improvements can be made more quickly and precisely. Quality and quantity are increased and downtimes reduced. Secure and personalized access means users can have the information they need when they need it. With Somatic SCADA and MindSphere apps, I can monitor, analyze, and optimize my distributed plants at any time worldwide.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.